Welcome back to my channel where it's all about DIYs and fashion, and I'm going to tell you the secrets of shopping online. So here is your ultimate online shopping guide by yours truly. Because I know we have our times where we want to buy something and we go on there, we buy, and it's like, do we really want this? Because I have times where I'm like, I need something, but I don't know what I need, but I need something. So, like, if you're one of those people that are, like, undecisive or second guess yourself when you're buying something, or sometimes, when you get the thing that you buy, not happy with it, here are some tips that do not want to miss it. I'll tell you guys 7 online tips or 7 online hacks so that can happen less often. And I promise the last tip will be the most important tip, so please stay tuned for that. First tip, pay attention to the websites that have the 360 modeling. So right now I am on the Pretty Little Things website and I see Catwalk, and that's basically the 360 video that I'm talking about. So you'll click and it'll be like an ongoing loop of the model. So this feature is used for plenty of things such as outfit, top, shirt, whatever, shoes, whatever. You'll most likely get what you pay for. What I mean by is that, it's not just a front face display. So they can either tighten it up in the back on a model that is your size and you get it and it's like, I thought it was my size. But most of these websites are starting to get in the trend with the live walking and stuff like that video. So look for those. So in some display, they have an area for details either on the side or the bottom of the picture, like here on Pretty Little Things. And the details sometimes include the size the model is and what that model is wearing at that time. So look for that so you can get the same exact look that you're trying to get. If you want that look that model is wearing and she's a small wearing a medium or whatever, buy that size. I promise. That's one of the biggest tips for you. A lot is that they're showing different body types and outfits because it gives us more ideas of what we're gonna look like in that outfit. So here's one of my favorite websites that I like to shop on for panties and bras, and of course Savage X Fenty. So here you see different sizes, different representation of sizes. So this is what I mean. So for example, I'm not small, so basically probably plus size or curvy. So basically I'll look for a plus size or curvy model just to give an idea of what the outfit looks like on them, so I know what mine will look like. That's what I've been appreciating on these websites for the longest is that they have been adding different body types, so it gives us a better eye because not everybody looks the same in the same outfit. Everybody say this again with me.
Everybody do not look the same in the same outfit.
And it's okay. Check the comments, check the pics, check the pictures of the customers that actually buy these things, and like it will be on the bottom most likely when you scroll down that these customers will have reviews and they'll say I like it or they'll post a picture with it. And sometimes nowadays I think stores are basically also posting customers' pictures with it on as a display as well. So look at those, pay attention, because that will also give you more of a mindset to either buy it or don't buy it. Bargain on the internet. So this is very big. This just happened to me today. I'm looking for some either snakeskin boots, or this is an example. So I'm looking either for some snakeskin boots or some croc print boots before my outfit. And I noticed one that I do like, but it's $60. And not trying to say that's not a steal, but my budget is a little rough right now. So I found another croc look, but different color, but still something I want to buy for $40. What am I gonna get? 40 for $60. Actually, I want to say that one was $50. I went with the $50, and that's because I typed in on Google croc print snake skin boots, like yada yada. So you get what I'm saying. So basically, put down in Google or internet period what type of item you're looking for, and literally it will come up the price, picture, the store that you're gonna buy it from, or you're gonna that's selling it. It all comes on top. Come on the top of Google, and use that to your benefit if you're on a tight budget, because I promise you it will work out. Bargaining, you can bargain anywhere. Be honest with yourself, guys. Be honest with yourself, because sometimes you'll buy something because you're just in that moment of buying, and then you get it and it's like, I don't have nothing to wear it with. So make sure you're buying something that coordinates with what you have, or you know you're going to wear it, like a pair of pants. If you know you're going to wear that pair of pants, buy it. Don't buy it because you think it's a trend. Or, that's kind of biased. If it is a trend and you want to buy it to see what it will look like on you, you can get away with that. But if it's just something you want to buy, just make sure. And here's a trick. Basically, leave that item in the cart for like 2 days. And I promise you, if you want it, you'll still want it. If you don't, you don't. And this is a big tip. That's why I left it for the end. Check the policy returns, because 9 out of 10, most of these shops have policy returns that you might not like.
So here is Pretty Little Things policy returns, and it's so simple. All you have to do is scroll down, and there's a part that says returns. And literally right there it says, due to the current circumstances surrounding COVID-19, we are extending our return periods. All orders subject to our return policy can be returned up to 60 days after the date of purchase. So there you go. All it took was a little bit of searching and finding, and you're good.
Sometimes they don't even do returns. So check out these return policies, because you will be upset. But honestly, you'll be upset with yourself, because most of the time they're saying it and you're not seeing it, and you're screwed already because you bought it and it's coming to you. So check your policy return, and that will make your life a whole heck a lot easy. So that is all my tips for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my fabulous channel. And thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.